After a long period of time that Zoho did not release any product, and that was about a week ago, Zoho released a new product. What do you know? The product name is Zoho TransMail. Now, Zoho TransMail is supposed to fix sending emails from your website or an external application. As an example, let's say that on your website you have an ordering system, or maybe reset password, a welcome email, any type of email that's coming from your website. Currently, those web emails will come from the server IP, and they have a very good chance to get blocked by spam filters because they're not really coming from a legit email server. Zoho fixed it, and that's a very, very good service to have. It's also, by the way, it's also inexpensive. I think it cost about $2.50 for 10,000 emails. Not much. So it's very inexpensive, and it's worth the money. Now, once you're sending those emails, you can see here that you're also getting reporting. You can see who opened it, the click rate. You can see basically the statistics, so you can improve your process. One more thing that makes this whole thing a very nice deal is that this service improves the deliverability. Now, I know you probably think, you know what? If I can do that, I will probably be able to send mass emails and do some marketing. And the answer is no, it will not help you with marketing. The deliverability will be perfect as long, and I'm saying perfect because Zoho said it's guaranteed delivery. Guaranteed. I never heard any company that says guaranteed for an email. So they're guaranteeing the email as long as the email will be transactional email and not a marketing email. The main problem is that transactional email will not be templated so much, and also the volume will not be as big as much like a mass email that you're sending 10,000 emails. All of them looks the same, and it's in one period of time. This is something that no one in the world was able to fix, and it's a very, very difficult problem. With Zoho TransMail, transactional emails are usually a bit different. They contain a little bit different information, and also mail servers identify them as such. So they will not put them into the promotional or spam folder. Okay? So TransMail is a new service. Again, I know that Zoho did not release a new product for a week or so. So here we go. We have a new product. It's crazy. You have a company that all they want is to improve their customer lives. They're all the time trying to improve businesses. Phenomenal, and I'm very, very happy to be part of the Zoho journey. Thank you very much for watching this session. We'll see you in the next one.